Excited to see Grandma?
Yes!
Oh, hello there. Please come in out of the rain. It's much warmer inside.
Let's get these wet shoes and socks off. Wear your indoor slippers, then greet Grandma now. So, how was the drive here?
The sceneries were so relaxing.
It was a rainy drive, but I enjoyed it.
Whoa.
Stir it slowly, honey.
Yes, Grandma. Is this right, Mommy?
Yes, dear, just a bit more.
It's getting smoother.
Perfect, you're doing so well.
You dip the meat into the broth until it's cooked.
Okay, Grandma.
That's it. Now we wait.
So yummy.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. It's delicious.
Grandma, you too. This is so yummy.
What a lovely meal. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Can we have this again?
Of course.
All done. Let's stack these.
I'll help, Grandma.
Thank you, dear. Perfect. Good job, sweetie. Just rinse it under the water.
Okay, Mommy.
Perfect. Now hand it to Grandma.
I'll dry this one.
Having fun, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy.
Be careful, honey.
Mommy, I'm done playing outside.
Look at this one, dear.
Wow, Grandma, is that you?
Yes, and that's Grandpa.
So cute.
I think we should plant more tomatoes this year.
Yes, and some carrots too. The soil is perfect. Is the tempura delicious?
Yes, it's yummy.
This ramen is so good.
The tempura is crunchy.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. It's perfect.
Be careful, honey.
Grandma, look at all the stars.
They're beautiful, aren't they? It reminds me of when I was young.
Oh, look at you, little one. What a happy baby.
Yes, so precious.
Look how happy she is.
She's full of energy tonight.
Whee, this is fun.
So cute.
Oh, you're so happy tonight. Yes, such a good baby.